Hi, it's Halloween time again. I wanted to do this video without another costume, but my grandson said, it's Halloween, you gotta wear a costume.
And say it like that.
So what I'm making today is apple cider cinnamon donuts. I have my trusty little Cuisinart here, which I'm going to add 2 cups of flour and the rest of these ingredients. This is a cup of apple cider and 6 tablespoons of butter. We have a half a cup of white sugar and a half a cup of brown sugar. I have 2 eggs, room temperature. We have 2 packets or 4 teaspoons of yeast. I'm using the fast rising. A teaspoon and a half of cinnamon. A teaspoon of salt. And a teaspoon of vanilla. So what we're going to do is mix this up, and then I'll add the rest of it in here. I greased it up with a little oil, and you have to put it in a warm place and wait for it to double in bulk. Takes an hour to an hour and a half. Okay, so the dough has risen. He has risen. Anyway, I'm going to roll it out. You're going to roll it out to about a half-inch thick. So, well, actually it broke, and I'm improvising. So, we do this here. And what I do is, I have, this is a tip.
Yeah, for a paper, right?
Yeah, you got it. I'm gonna put it on the tray. So I'm gonna put them all on the tray and let them grow, and I'll be back when they're ready to fry.
There you go.
While they're still warm, I'm gonna put them in here. So I'm gonna taste the donut hole. These are what my donuts look like. Apple cider cinnamon donuts. That's good. These are great for Thanksgiving. Have a wonderful evening. Until next time, bon appetit.